Best luck tayo mga kapuso, kauban si attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Arjel! Good morning mga kapuso! Welcome to Bistalk. Karugmuntaga atong makauban usa ka licensed pharmacist, model, social media influencer, and beauty queen nga si Katrina Johnson. Hello, Kat, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
Hi! I'm so happy to be here. Salamat kaayo. Okay lang ko. Ikaw po, attorney. Kamusta?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. Naku, what keeps you busy these days?
Well, honestly, nag-eskwela po ako. Nag-postgraduate studies ko. So, I'm taking clinical pharmacy.
Ito, Kat, pag-usapan muna natin yung journey mo, of course. Ngayon, sikat kang model, sikat na beauty queen. Pero paano ba nagsimula yung journey mo in joining beauty pageants and being a model as well?
Sa tinuod lang, ako ang journey sa pageantry and modeling, dili siya premeditated. I never really expected more. Surprise lang dyan ang tanan. Wala dyan ko na-expect na makaya dyan akong join ang pageant kay medyo ulawon ko sa una. Pero at the same time, na dyan part sa ako na gusto dyan mag-join. Medyo curious ko, interested ko about kana world of pageantry and modeling.
Where do you draw your inspiration from?
I would say my mom, 100%. Actually, pageantera ko mama sa una. Trivia lang. Pero sa una pa kahit oy. She actually really admired pageantry in general na kanang opportunity siya na maka-give back ka sa imong community. Maka-dedicate ni mo imong sarili to being of service to others.
At saka mapapansin nyo mga kapuso, how'd kaayo mag-speak in the dialect si Kat. Actually, she grew up in the United States. How was your life back then, Kat?
My family itself was different. Completely bungol akong papa and akong mama, syempre, immigrant siya, di ba? From the Philippines siya. So, she was from a different country. So, lahi po akong upbringing. Grabe ang discipline. Bawal mo laag, bawal mo sleepover. Strict kayo na mama. So, a lot of my friends, wala kayo sila nakasabot nga no ingato akong upbringing. Nadyo'y slight na medyo cultural divide. Kaya medyo ako ang nasa crossroads na Filipino akong upbringing pero na ako sa US. Mga good. Pero looking back, definitely thankful ko. Siyempre, since I was, I grew up there, medyo na-expose ko sa mga different cultures. And at the same time, since na-expose ko sa mga uban cultures, mas nigrabe akong appreciation para sa Philippines in general. O medyo, I guess, na ako'y medyo fresh na perspective or understanding of unsa jud ang modern Filipina, char. I think having that background, na-deepen jud akong love para sa country o it helped me realize na maski kung half-blooded lang po, I'm no less of a Filipina. I'm still a pure Filipina at heart. So I'm very thankful for my life and how I was raised.
And we admire your parents for having raised you so well. And speaking of your parents, you've also mentioned that your mother was your inspiration, your source of strength. But unfortunately, she was diagnosed with cancer and passed away also, I think, early last year. How was that experience for you?
Well, I think when you're dealing syempre nagsakit ang loved one, it's not really an easy thing to accept, I think no one wants to accept na basig mamatay imong parents or mag-suffer imong loved one. Pero murag na pugos lang jud ko that I had to accept it just because I had to take on that responsibility of being her caregiver, being her personal nurse, being her pharmacist, and at the same time medyo murag ako ang mama sometimes. So it was super unexpected and super kalit lang jud nahitabo ang tanan.
And she will be even more proud kasi nga you have plans of joining national pageants this time. Kumusta at ano ang plano mo naman in the coming months, Kat?
I'm really open to unsay plano ni Lord para sa ako. Definitely after namatay ako mama, medyo na-confuse ko, na-lost ko. Ako kabulon sa akong buhaton, kaya wala akong murag guardian angel kunuhay. Pero I think even though she's not physically here, as you said, attorney, it doesn't mean that it's gonna stop there. So I still have, I guess, the willpower to go on, even though it's kind of dimmed a little bit. As painful as it may be, or as difficult as it may be internally, life goes on, right? Dili lang siya magundang kay namatay akong mama, di ba? So kabalo akong mama sa mga goals pod nako, and it was, our goals, both of our goals for myself. So dili man po siya gusto na i-waste na po ang opportunity if ever ma-present ang opportunity.
Let's claim that, Kat. And of course, once you'd be joining already national pageants, ano ba yung magiging advocacies mo naman na gusto mong iparating sa lahat ng ating mga kapuso, hindi lang dito sa Mindanao but all over the country?
Well, I think ever since bata pa ako, importante dyan kayo ang be of service dyan sa akong pamilya. In any little way, magtabang. As a healthcare professional, promoting health is at the top of my list across all age groups. Any and all of my advocacies have to do with health.
Thank you very much, Kat. Well, need I say more? You're not just a woman with beauty and brains, but a woman with a true heart and, passion for others. Dagan kaayong salamat. Mensahe mo sa lahat ng ating mga kapuso dito sa Mindanao, Kat.
Hi mga kapusong Mindanao. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope that in the future, wherever God may take me, whatever my future plans may be, that you will support me. I love Mindanao with all my heart, and I hope that I will be able to do you guys justice and kind of represent Mindanao as best as I can. Thank you guys so much, and stay safe.
Thank you very much, Kat.
Thank you.
And that was Katrina Johnson. Tutok lang mga kapuso, kay mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.